Electric gates with 4 remotes. At Electric Gates with 4 remotes, we upgrade and install gate operators to existing gates, sliding gates, and double gates. Electric Gates offers fast, reliable services for residential, commercial, and industrial locations. Save time and money getting in and out of your car to open a gate, and avoid getting wet in the rain. Open your gate with comfort and ease. Please call and ask for Robert for a free estimate today at area code 310-722-8852. Electric Gates with 4 remotes. Thank you.